Transform your kitchen into a precision studio where flavor, nutrition, and creativity meet exact science. Measured brings cutting-edge weighing technology to your countertop, making it effortless to perfect everything from cocktails to croissants. This is not just a scale, it's a smarter way to create. Craft barista-quality coffee every morning with exact grind and pour ratios. Dive into mixology with confidence, knowing your margaritas and martinis will be flawless on the first shake. Experience effortless beach cleanup with the Beach Shower Holder, designed to elevate your post-adventure routine. Built with practicality and ease in mind, this shower holder provides hands-free convenience, making it easier to scrub away sand, dirt, or salt water from your skin and gear. The holder attaches securely to any flat surface using a strong suction mount, ensuring stability even in wet conditions. Simply rotate the dial to lock it in place, and the adjustable nozzle holder ensures the perfect angle for a full-body rinse. The Logitech Combo Touch for iPad Pro is designed to enhance your experience with 4 distinct use modes, allowing seamless transitions between typing, sketching, viewing, and reading. The keyboard is fully detachable, offering flexibility when not in use, while the adjustable kickstand ensures up to 50 degrees of customizable viewing angles, making it ideal for any task. This keyboard case features a large click-anywhere trackpad, offering a responsive and reliable interface for navigation. Few docking stations rival the raw capability packed into the Anker Prime TB5. It's not just about ports, it's about performance, speed, and control. Designed to meet the most demanding workstation setups, this 14-in-1 powerhouse excels in transferring large files, powering multiple devices, and delivering crystal-clear display outputs. Move a 150GB file in just 25 seconds through its ultra-fast Thunderbolt 5 port, ideal for creators working with raw video or 3D rendering projects. Health technology takes a bold step forward with a device that doesn't just track, it transforms. The Ringcon Gen 2 Smart Ring is more than a fitness tracker. It's a health companion built on precision, comfort, and innovation. Engineered in collaboration with top universities and hospitals, it offers advanced sleep apnea detection using AI. Real-time AHI readings help you understand your sleep health without bulky gear or wires. The Granista Professional Grinder elevates your coffee experience with its innovative design, providing a superior grind every time. With a built-in scale, it ensures precise measurements, helping you achieve the perfect cup. The grinder features a 64mm flat burr system that consistently produces uniform grounds, crucial for maximizing flavor extraction. Offering 48 adjustable coarseness levels, it caters to all brewing methods, from espresso to French press. Unwind with the perfect companion for your screen time, a sturdy, versatile cushion stand that molds to your needs without compromising support. Whether you're streaming, reading, or video calling, this pillow stand secures your device between 4 and 11 inches, including iPads, Kindles, e-readers, tablets, and smartphones. Designed for use on your lap, desk, or in bed, it enhances comfort while maintaining optimal viewing angles. Constructed with high-density foam and soft-touch fabric, the stand resists collapse while keeping things cozy against your skin. Introducing the Lightbox, an unparalleled fusion of style and innovation, where eco-friendly materials meet cutting-edge technology. Crafted with Danish design principles and premium craftsmanship, this wood projector sets a new standard for home entertainment. With a giant screen experience up to 180 inches, it transforms any room into a personal theater. The patent-pending Smart Flip technology allows for seamless vertical displays, offering flexibility for all viewing angles. Clutter doesn't stand a chance when the Brother P-Touch PTD220 enters the scene. Built for those who value structure without sacrificing style, this compact label maker brings smart organization to any home, small office, or workspace. Whether you're sorting file folders, cables, pantry shelves, or storage bins, the PTD220 provides a sleek and practical solution. Experience the convenience of the Satechi 3-in-1 Foldable Qi 2 wireless charging stand, designed to streamline your charging routine. With advanced QI2 fast charging technology, this station offers lightning-fast charging speeds of up to 15 watts for your iPhone and 5 watts for both AirPods and Apple Watch. Double the speed of typical chargers, ensuring your devices are powered up swiftly and efficiently. Its MagSafe compatibility allows you to charge your devices securely and easily. The Fluid Stance Balance Board is designed for individuals who seek improved posture and an active lifestyle at their desks. Engineered with a 360-degree rocker, this balance board transforms your workspace into a dynamic environment that encourages movement, helping to reduce fatigue and stress. With its anti-slip surface, users can confidently engage in subtle movements while standing, offering a more ergonomic alternative to traditional desk setups. In a world where responsible firearm ownership matters more than ever, the BioFire Smart Gun offers unmatched security without sacrificing speed or performance. Engineered for protection with built-in peace of mind, this 9mm smart handgun stays locked the moment it's out of your grip, rendering it completely inoperable until a trusted, authorized user takes hold again. The intelligent design ensures that no unauthorized person, be it a child, thief, or intruder, can ever fire it. Introducing the Novadrum Tongue Drum 2.0, a refined and innovative instrument that promises to bring harmony to your musical journey. This enhanced version offers a unique double-sided design, providing twice the number of notes and expanding your sonic possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned musician or a beginner, this drum is designed for ease of use while offering a professional, clear sound. With each tongue finely tuned, the Novadrum delivers exceptional sound quality, thanks to precise calculations of distance and harmonic combinations. The AOC Zoe A1X stands out as a high-performance portable device engineered for seamless multitasking and immersive experiences. Powered by the AMD HX370 chipset, it ensures rapid processing and effortless handling of demanding tasks. The device is equipped with an 8-inch native landscape display, boasting a 120 Hz refresh rate that enhances fluidity and responsiveness. Whether for gaming, media consumption, or productivity, the variable refresh rate display optimizes visuals for every type of content. The XGO Mini is an innovative quadruped robot designed to bring a new level of interactivity and intelligence. With 12 degrees of freedom, it can move in all directions, giving it impressive agility. This robot offers an omnidirectional range of motion, allowing it to adapt to various environments effortlessly. Its compact design makes it highly mobile and capable of performing tasks that require advanced coordination and flexibility. In the world of high-performance audio gear, few options match the blend of comfort and durability offered by these open-ear Bluetooth wireless headphones. Powered by Bluetooth 5.2, you'll enjoy a stable, lag-free connection with low latency, perfect for calls or streaming music on the move. With an impressive 30 hours of playtime on a full charge, you'll get through the entire week without scrambling for a charger. Imagine turning your workspace into a command center. One hub, total control. The Dock-Case Studio Smart USB-C Hub 8-in-1 isn't just an accessory, it's a professional upgrade built for power users who demand speed and clarity. Up front, a vibrant touchscreen gives real-time insight into power delivery, data transfers, and device activity because control should be visual. Dual CF Express Type A and Type B card slots make it a photographer's dream, reading massive files in seconds. Banish countertop clutter and streamline your oral care with a design built for performance and precision. This high-speed toothbrush spray system eliminates the hassle of separate tubes and cups, merging convenience with power in every detail. Its X-Flow toothpaste tech ensures an even high-pressure blend of water and toothpaste with every pass. The dual nozzle system delivers a consistent 360-degree spray that targets hard-to-reach areas while minimizing waste. CyberCore by Albica redefines the way we charge and store VR devices, blending cutting-edge technology with sleek design. This next-gen VR charging dock brings unparalleled fast charging, delivering up to 120 watts of power to all your VR equipment. As a global leader in VR charging, CyberCore ensures that your devices are powered up quickly and efficiently, so you're always ready for the virtual world. Beyond its impressive power capabilities, the CyberCore offers a creative solution for organizing your VR setup. Slip into silence or tune into power. Your choice begins with the next-gen wireless companion. These touch buds don't just play audio, they redefine it with a built-in MP3 player, letting you leave your phone behind while enjoying crisp playback wherever you roam. Whether you're pacing through a 5-mile run or relaxing under a starlit sky, these earbuds bring a sound that moves with you. Advanced noise cancellation carves out a private zone of calm, shutting out the chaos around you. The STM Goods Charge Tree Go 3-in-1 portable wireless charging station offers an efficient and space-conscious solution for charging multiple devices. With key certification, it supports a wide range of devices including iPhones, Samsung/Android phones, AirPods, and Apple Watches. This wireless charger eliminates the need for separate cables, streamlining your charging experience. Designed for maximum convenience, the compact and foldable nature of the Charge Tree Go ensures it takes up minimal space, even in tight areas. Elevate your workspace with the FlexStand Pro, a versatile monitor stand designed to enhance both play and work environments. Featuring an ergonomic design, it offers effortless electric height adjustment, allowing you to tailor your setup for optimal comfort and posture. The built-in ambient LED lighting creates a relaxing atmosphere, perfect for both focused work and immersive gaming sessions. Equipped with USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 expansion ports, this stand keeps all your devices connected and organized. The Airleo Duo Eco Air System revolutionizes climate control with its cutting-edge design and patented technology. Combining both cooling and heating capabilities, it offers a versatile solution to regulate your indoor environment throughout the year. One of the most remarkable features of this system is its ability to reduce cooling bills by up to 80%, making it a cost-effective alternative to traditional split AC units. Compact enough to fit in your palm, this advanced handheld 3D scanner combines cutting-edge accuracy and color fidelity in one sleek unit. Built for creators, designers, and engineers, it captures detailed full-color 3D models with an impressive 0.05mm precision. With a real-time scanning speed of 18 frames per second, it ensures smooth, uninterrupted data collection even on complex surfaces or moving objects. Even when you're away, your pet's world doesn't have to feel empty. The Gulu Pet FaceTime camera creates a living connection between you and your pet, offering more than just a glimpse, but an experience. Equipped with a sharp 1080p HD camera, the Gulu gives you crystal clear visuals, while its 90 Hz pet-friendly display ensures smoother motion for both dogs and cats. Built for 24/7 companionship, the device stands ready even when you're miles away. Whether you're refining dovetail joints or carving intricate trim, this next-gen electric wood chisel transforms woodworking precision into muscle-powered speed. Engineered for efficiency, the powerful motor delivers high-speed strokes, up to 12,000 RPM, cutting through hardwoods like oak and maple with smooth, accurate motion. Designed for both professionals and serious hobbyists, this electric chisel boosts control, making fine detailing far more manageable than with traditional hand tools. The Sony wireless portable speaker ULT Field 3 combines rugged durability with powerful audio performance, designed to withstand the elements while delivering impressive sound. Whether you're at the beach, hiking, or camping, this Bluetooth speaker's IP67 rating ensures full protection against water, dust, and rust. The shockproof design guarantees reliable use even in the toughest conditions, offering peace of mind while you enjoy your favorite tunes. Precision meets portability with the Modu Razor Titanium Collapsible Razor, crafted for those who demand excellence in every detail. Engineered from premium-grade titanium, this classic double-edged safety razor offers a seamless blend of durability and lightweight design. Weighing just a few ounces, it stands up to rugged travel yet feels virtually weightless in your grooming kit. The collapsible structure ensures compact storage, perfect for stowing in a dop kit or backpack without sacrificing blade stability. In a world where companionship meets cutting-edge intelligence, Rawpet stands out as an emotionally aware AI robot pet crafted to be more than a gadget. It's a loyal friend. Engineered with lifelike charm and tactile warmth, Rawpet brings a layer of comfort into daily life. Using state-of-the-art visual recognition, it distinguishes familiar faces and mirrors your emotions, creating a sense of presence that feels personal. Whether you're smiling or still, Rawpet sees you and responds in kind. Life rarely slows down, and managing your health shouldn't fall behind. Skipped medication isn't just a small oversight. It leads to worsened conditions, reduced treatment success, higher medical bills, and added stress. DeFi transforms any standard pill bottle into a powerful AI-assisted system. With LED and sound reminders, smartphone alerts, and even in-app phone calls, you're covered whether you're at home or on the go. Open the bottle within a minute of the scheduled time, and DeFi logs your dose automatically. The Rabbit R1 offers a revolutionary fusion of artificial intelligence and intuitive design, blending the versatility of Android with the power of ChatGPT developed by Rabbit Inc. in collaboration with Teenage Engineering. This personal assistant device stands out for its ability to manage daily tasks with ease. Whether it's web browsing, controlling media, or managing a range of smart home functions, the Rabbit R1 simplifies complex actions through both voice and touch inputs. Catchpad transforms your fitness routine by blending gamified workouts with dynamic lights, sound, and real-time tracking. This innovative system is designed to elevate your agility, speed, and coordination, making exercise both fun and challenging. The platform's interactive nature adapts to your progress, offering a variety of exercises that can be tailored to your fitness level. With each workout, the lights and sounds react to your movements, pushing you to improve your timing and precision. Escape the hassle of traditional stovetop cooking with the Instant Pot Duo Plus Whisper Quiet, your kitchen's new multitasking powerhouse. From early morning oatmeal to a rich evening stew, this all-in-one cooker transforms the way you prepare meals. Whether you're speeding up dinner or slow cooking comfort food, the Duo Plus handles it all. Boiled eggs in 4 minutes, creamy pastas in 5, or tender meats through sous vide or pressure cooking.